Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the finals not launching in PC. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you need to force your game to run on DX11. This change fixes most issues. Open your Steam library and then click on the finals. Then open the properties and in the launch options type -D3D11. Next, update your drivers. Outdated drivers can also cause crashes and glitches. Open your graphic card support app, in my case it's NVIDIA, and check for update and install it. Make sure to restart your PC after updating drivers. You can also go and check for system updates. Update your system and restart your PC. This will improve gaming experience at least, if not fix crashing and launching. For the final step, go to game properties in Steam again and then verify game files integrity. After following all these steps, launch the game again and this should fix the issue. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.